Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we will have about, we keep this one on denominator. So later that we do first derivative of this one, dx. So this one we will have about 2 over 1 minus s, everything to the power of 2. Later that we simplify 1 minus s on numerator and denominator. So 1 minus s go to denominator. And this one, that is about identity. So we have 1 minus s squared. So because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So we go back in here. This one, that is about u. Dx over 1 minus s squared we change by the u over number 2. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and then we put about c. Number 2, you got about number 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.